Now, let us click on Server Logs under Navigator Pane Instance subsection. You can see here there are three different tabs. First is Error Log File, where all the error messages are recorded. First column is timestamp, second is thread ID, and the last one is detail of the error which we have faced. You can also see the location of the log file over here as well as file size of the log right besides it. On a second tab of general log file, we can see timestamp if available on a first column, thread ID in second column, command type in third column, and additional detail related to command in very last column. For example, thread 14 had executed query, and in detail column we can see which exactly the query was executed. Further scrolling down, we can also see general log file contains server connect time as well as quit time. In the very last tab, we can also see slow log files. This particular log file records every query which is slower than specified query time in options. For example, in this log file, you will notice all the query has over 10 seconds. This is because I have specified that slow log file should record every query which takes more than 10 seconds. The first column display start time and second column user and host. The third column displays time query took to execute, and fifth column displays row sent to the client. The very next column also displays how many rows were examined to produce the result. The last column, detail column, contains text of the query which is executing very slow. A good DBA always keep eyes on all the log files and see if there is anything alarming. If your queries are running slow, or if you notice any error, DBA should work on that immediately. If you see any error once or query which is running slow, DBA should proactively inform developer and make sure that error does not happen next time.